Guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm Kanifa. Today's video is going to be another voiceover, but you are going to love this DIY for your hair. Before we get into this video, I post twice a week, Tuesday and Friday. Tuesdays, all hair related videos, and on Fridays, videos such as travel vlogs, try on a haul, which you guys love this thrifting try on haul that I just posted, and lifestyle videos, those kind of videos. And as you know, I am on this journey to reach 500 subscribers by the end of this month. You guys have been so amazing with posting my videos and subscribing. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do. And if you like this video after you watch it, give me a thumbs up, click on the bell notification for whenever I post a video, you could be notified. Alright, so let's get right into this video and see the ingredients that you will need to make this amazing hair butter for your hair. For this amazing DIY hair butter, you will need these ingredients. And this video I use 4 different type of butters. I use kokum butter, which is this one. I'll give you some benefits of each butter. Kokum butter is extremely moisturized. It hydrates the hair. It has vitamin E. Also, not only it moisturizes the hair, it prevents hair breakage. It keeps skin very moisturized. So look out for my body butter video coming out soon. Okay, and for shea butter, I use 2 different type of shea butters. I use the yellow one and the white one. Shea butter is also very moisturized. It reduces dryness on scalp, anti-inflammatory, of course moisturizing as well, shine to the hair, so much more. As far as cocoa butter is strengthens hair shafts, makes hair look shine, moisturize the hair as well, good for scalp treatments such as dandruff as well. Okay, and as far as mango butter, wow, mango butter is amazing. Mango butter is rich in vitamin E, A. It is deeply moisturizing as well. It is light on the hair, soft on the hair, smooth. It helps smooth split ends. Of course, I melt the butter on low heat so you don't burn your butter. Of course, not burning your water. So as you can see, I've used the double boiling method. You can boil your water and just let your oil melt as well, but that will take too long. So as you saw, I added the fenugreek oil first. So now I am adding jojoba oil. So now I'm going to give you some benefits of each oil. So fenugreek oil reduces hair loss, encourage hair growth, strengthens the hair. For jojoba oil, it is rich in vitamin E, C, B, copper, zinc. What amazing! So it prevents hair loss, promotes thickness. No, jojoba oil is a great oil. Okay, so we have aloe vera oil. Aloe vera oil boosts hair growth, prevents hair falls. It helps rejuvenate hair follicles as well. As far as sweet almond oil moisturize the hair, prevent dryness, help with split ends. And for moringa oil contain vitamin A, B, E, and zinc. So that's another powerful oil. Okay, it helps with hair growth. Listen, and this oil right here, minced grace oil, it's another powerful hair growth oil. It has all the oils that I have used in this video, in addition to castor oil, rosemary oil, jojoba oil, and more. Alright, so now I'm going to place this in the freezer for about 20 minutes to have it solidified, and then I'm going to use my mixer and to mix this butter into this amazing butter that will make your hair soft, moisturize, as well give you such amazing twist out. Listen, alright, try this butter, guys. So another thing I will tell you guys, so this is my first time using this mixer, and after I mixed the butter, it was so fluffy, so nice, and I tried to use my spatula to kind of like mix it and trying to get more for my for my butt. So it got so hard so fast. All right, so don't do that. After you do, you get this consistency, just leave it the way it is. All right. Also, do not be in a rush to whip your butter, because if it's still cold, it's not gonna work out. Because listen, I was like so in a hurry to get this done. I didn't let it cool off all the way, but look at that. Look at that. Amazing. All right. So as you can see, boom, here is the result. But when you apply it to your hair, which you will see in a bit, amazing. Okay. Now that I'm going to apply the butter, as you can see, the ends of my hair were a little bit dry. Okay, so I've done most of the twist already, not the top ones. Okay, so I sprayed my hair a little bit with water. I was trying to use this leave-in conditioner, but this leave-in conditioner was terrible for my hair. It made my hair feel so hard. So I realized that, so I just stopped using it and just used the butter, which was amazing on my hair. Okay, guys, when you do try this butter, let me know how it feels on your hair. Okay, but as you can see, I'm using a empty container, which is from not Miss Grace, Miss Jackie, Aunt Jackie. So it was empty, so I just placed my butter in that container. All right, so do you see how it melted into my palms and applied to my hair? Listen, my hair, amazing, amazing. All right, and of course, I was not laughing, smiling, talking to myself. All right, so my sister was behind the camera. She was telling me a story, so that's why I was laughing and smiling. Guys, let me know in the comment section below which one of the butters that you guys used. I don't know, for your skin, for your hair, or any of the oils as well. Let me know in the comment section below, because I would like to know. Like I said earlier, so look out for my body butter DIY that I will be sharing with you very soon. I don't know if it's gonna be the next video or the video after that, so but look out for that body butter. Okay, amazing body butter. So now I have showed you guys how to do refreshing spray. I think I've showed you guys how to do a leave-in conditioner. Maybe it's not posted, not sure if I've shared it with you guys. Now that you know how to do hair butter, so now you can go and create your own products for your hair. All right, and make sure that you get Miss Grace by Kneeth Hair hair growth oil for your hair as well. All right, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video very helpful, please give me a thumbs up, like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share this video with someone who deals with dry hair. All right, and like I said, I am on this journey to reach 500 subscribers, so please become part of this family by subscribing. Thank you for watching. Have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed day. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.